friends, welcome to Cosplay Kitchen. You've landed yourself on the sidebar. Today, we're upping your cocktail game for St. Patrick's Day. No more green beers for you. We're having something classy. We're gonna make the St. Michael cocktail featuring cranberry bubbly sparkling water. Buble sparkling water. We're gonna start out with 2 ounces of bourbon. Today, I am using Bullet Bourbon. I do love Buffalo Trace, but this is a little bit of a sweeter cocktail, so we don't want a sweeter bourbon. 1/2 ounce of Peach Vodka and 1/2 ounce of Senior Curacao. Now you want to make sure to be using the real Senior Curacao. The reason being is that this Curacao is the original, and it's made with a citrus fruit that grows in the Caribbean called the Laura. It's the only one, to my knowledge, that is still made with that citrus, which gives it a much more real flavor, as opposed to being a little more like sugar water, like some of the other ones you might get are. Now this drink as it stands is going to be a little on the sweet side. If you just drink it as it is right now, it might be a little overpowering. That's where the Buble sparkling water comes in. So we're gonna be pouring this into a coupe glass, and then we're gonna be topping it off with the sparkling water. The sparkling water is going to help break up the flavor, the sweetness inside of it. But because this itself is unsweetened, it's not gonna add any more sugar or up that sweetness level. The cranberry is going to pair perfectly with that citrus flavor. So go ahead, fill it all the way up with just a little bit of room left so we don't spill. And there we have it, the St. Michael cocktail. What better way to celebrate St. Patrick's Day than by paying homage to my favorite Canadian, Michael Buble. Happy St. Patrick's Day, Mr. Buble. So thank you so much for joining us here today. If you had a good time, think about giving us a like, maybe even subscribing. Join us every other Monday for a new recipe, cocktail, and cosplay. And don't eat yellow snow.